What do you mean you don't like plantains? Get out of here. Hello and welcome to the first episode of Foodies Know, where we explore food culture stories from around the world and the people who make those stories happen. And of course, there's us who enjoy eating the food. Last year, I traveled to Grenada, the spice island of the Caribbean. I met Chef Dexter BURRIS, and at his restaurant, I enjoyed flavors that jumped right off the plate and left me wanting more. Now, because we can't travel, but thanks to technology, we can bring Chef Dexter BURRIS all the way from Grenada to you. Now in this episode, he's going to be teaching us how to make a seared tuna, plantain cake, and a mango salsa. That sounds wonderful. Let's just join him right away. Let's go.
So you're ready for us to start?
Yes, let's go for it.
I'm gonna light up this stove, very low fire, and then I'm gonna start with the plantain cake. And while the plantain cake is on the fire, I'm gonna start also with the salsa. So you're gonna be quick, fast, salt and pepper. This is the plantain cake. So this is the plantain cake. Just a little bit of olive oil and pot. Then I'm gonna put in the plantain cake. Now how I did that plantain cake, I get some not overripe plantain, but it has to be ripe. Boil it for about 5 minutes, then take it out, crush it a little bit, and then you're gonna fry it now, just to give it that color. And in the meanwhile, I have all the ingredients already for the salsa. So I have some red, green, and yellow peppers. I also have some red onions. I have also some tomato, mangoes, and a little bit of chopped parsley. This is just about half a quarter of red pepper, quarter yellow pepper, and quarter green pepper. So you don't have to, all depends on how much you're cooking for. I'm also going to put in 1 tomato, dice, seeded and dice. I'm going to put in the red onions and then some chopped parsley inside of it. All right, so this is what is inside. Now we're going to put in the mangoes. And this mango is unique. It's right outside of my door. So that makes it even more special. And then I'm going to start seasoning it up. And the seasoning I'm going to use is just a little bit of salt and pepper. Salt and pepper. So we're going to keep it nice and fresh. Now for the dressing. All you need in that dressing. So you have the salt and the pepper inside already. You have all the ingredients. You have the peppers, all 3 colors. Then you have the tomato, you have the onion, you have the mango, and you have the chopped parsley inside already. Now, all you need now is just for the dressing. The dressing is just a little bit of olive oil, 1 tablespoon, and just a squeeze of lemon juice inside of it. Half a lemon, just squeeze a little bit inside, and here you go. This is nice and fresh. You see this? That's how it's looking. Now, the plantain is ready. So I'm going to just rest the plantain on this plate here. This plate, I'm going to rest the plantain here. That's how the plantain looking on the plate. And then I'm going to start the tuna. The tuna already in the fridge, seasoned already. Grenadians like to season their fish. But I always say, do not over season your fish. So all I have on this fish is just a little bit of salt, pepper, and some cajun seasoning.
Yeah.
That's all. Because you don't want to overpower the fish. Tuna is beautiful. And I'm just going to sear that tuna. So it will not take me much longer with that tuna at all. Now I'm going to put in the tuna now. So I'm going to sear it. And you hear that sound?
Yeah, okay.
Nice and sizzling. So now the tuna is on the other side already. So it's almost ready to go. So I'm just going to plate up this now. So that's how it's looking. All right. Here goes the tuna. And I'm just going to slide it down like this. See how quick that is? This dish it's nice, it's clean, and when you come from work or you come anywhere, you come from outside and you're very hungry, these things could be prepped and have in your fridge and ready to go. The most time you're going to use is just for the prepping. That is how it is. And that is the dish. Light, fresh. There is nothing lighter and fresher than that dish. So you have a tuna, seared tuna with a plantain cake, with a mango salsa. So that's what you have in here today.
Very easy, very simple, light, fresh, colorful as well. The only thing that's missing, Chef, is me there eating that dish right now.
I'm telling you. I'm telling you.
Well, thank you for that very quick demonstration.
We all going through this pandemic. I mean, it's something that none of us planned for. And I always say to people, this too shall pass, all right? It's gonna pass. What I always encourage people is that use this time that we locked down, use it to become more positive. When you come out of this, you're supposed to be better.
Yeah.
I always say to people, I mean, don't come out worse than how you started. Come out a little bit slimmer like me. I'm losing a whole lot of weight now. Eating better. I'm cleaning my system, because two things could happen. Is either we come out worse or we come out better. Please don't stress yourself out too much. You may not have the kind of money, but we don't need money to eat right. I keep on telling people that. You know, plant something in a flower pot and use it, eat it. Mm-hmm. Whatever you plant, eat it. And I'm looking forward to seeing you all in Grenada when this thing is over.
Yes.
We're waiting for you. Grenada is waiting for you. I am waiting for you. Dexter is waiting for you. We're not going to lose any flavor. We're not going to lose any zeal to serve you. We're going to be there, waiting and ready. This island is waiting for you. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, Chef. Well, you've heard it yourself, people. This is an invitation to put Grenada on your list. So I just want to say thank you to Chef Dexter BURRIS for taking the time to be with us this afternoon. And we'll see you on the next episode of Stories from Grenada.